Hello, my name is Alan Tran and I'm the founder of HaiKhuu Trading. Today, I just wanted to go over the final results of the HaiKhuu free equity portfolio for the year 2020. I am very excited of this portfolio. In this portfolio, over the past 3 months since we've started this challenge, I have received a total of 556 free shares of equity. The portfolio value right now is just under $5,000 total. This is an investment that I am personally holding for the rest of my life, and it is something that I am honestly excited to continually grow over the next 20 to 30 years. As of right now, I have a screenshot of the current portfolio value currently getting adjusted in live time. The only positions that I currently do not have fully transferred into this portfolio are a total of 50 tops, 4 shares of Ford, and 14 shares of BNGO. Other than that, we are 100% caught up on this portfolio. I just want to make this a quick video, and I hope you guys all really enjoy these updates, and I'm very excited for 2021 as we're going to have, thousands of more shares of free equity added into this account consistently over the next year. So I just want to say thank you all again for, sticking with HaiKhuu through 2020, and I'm very excited for what we're all able to do in 2021. So if you want to watch the progress of this portfolio grow into a multi-million-dollar zero-cost basis account that is consistently making positions, feel free to like this video and to subscribe on YouTube, and if not, no worries, no problems. I hope you have a great day, an amazing new year, and a great 2021. Take care, everyone. Peace.